take accurate measurement of the dosage of the treatment. So ensure there are no bubbles. So then you now pick the mice. Ensure you pick the mice at the tail. Pick the mice at the tail like this. Then about 1 inch from the rump. So then you pick it here in between the ears. Then handle it this way. Get the intubator and gently place it in the mouth so that the animal will not be injured in the guts. Then release. Release the treatment gently. So that is oral administration of dosage. Thank you.